Planning a move with a U-Haul. Before booking, know what really matters: the right truck size and the true rental cost. U-Haul offers several truck sizes designed for different types of moves. For very small moves like transporting a few pieces of furniture or boxes, a pickup truck or cargo van can do the job. These usually cost about $20 to $30 per day. If you are moving from a studio or small apartment, a 10-foot truck is a common choice. It can hold basic furniture like a mattress, a couch, and several boxes. For a 1 to 2 bedroom home, a 15-foot truck provides more space and often includes a loading ramp to help move heavy items. Moving from a 2 to 3 bedroom home, many people choose the 20-foot truck. It is one of the most popular sizes because it can handle large furniture, appliances, and lots of boxes. And for bigger moves involving 3 to 4 bedrooms, the 26-foot truck offers the most space and helps avoid making multiple trips. Now here is something many renters do not realize. The advertised daily price is only the starting point. Your final cost can include mileage charges, fuel, insurance, taxes, and equipment rentals. Because of this, a local U-Haul rental often ends up costing between $100 and $400. Choosing the right truck size helps you save money, avoid extra trips, and make your move much easier. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move.